How to remove the frequently used emojis on your iPhone. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets iPhone tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear or remove the frequently used emojis on the iPhone keyboard here. So right off the bat, I want to say that there is no way to actually remove this frequently used section, but we can clear or delete the history here so it won't show your frequently used emojis. It'll just show the default. So as you can see here, I have some emojis in the left side that I just was playing with so that you can see the difference after we actually clear this. To get started with removing the frequently used emojis on our iPhone, the first thing we need to do is simply open the settings. So go to the settings. Once the settings open, scroll down and select General. And once we're in General, simply scroll down and go to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now we're not going to be doing a factory reset on our iPhone. We're just going to select Reset at the bottom. And then in here, we're going to select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode if you need to. So in order to actually clear the frequently used emojis on our iPhone, the only way I found to do this that actually works with iOS 16 is to reset your keyboard dictionary. But there are some downsides doing this. This will clear and delete all the custom words you've typed on your keyboard. It returns the keyboard dictionary back to factory defaults. So if you're fine with that and you want to do that and it's worth it for you, go ahead and select Reset Dictionary. Now we can close the settings, and I recommend closing the app where you last used your keyboard. And now we can go back into that app, open it up, and when we check the keyboard, we'll see that it is just the default frequently used. None of the actual emojis that you used are in this frequently used list. And also, if you still are seeing your personalized frequently used emojis, try restarting your phone and then see if it worked after that. All right, so that's how you clear or delete the frequently used emojis on your iPhone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more iPhone tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.